This video is made possible by G2A, great games for cheap prices. Use the affiliate link g2a.com/r/filmempire to support the show.
Today I will show you how I record my episodes right after the intro. So now that the script is done and printed, it is time to record. Next week's video is about how to do a Mocha camera solve, so we'll need a few different clips. First of all, we'll need the footage for the tutorial. After that, we'll need the footage of me doing the camera solve on the computer, and the last clip is me introducing the topic. Now let's start with the test footage. For this, I'll actually be needing two clips, one on the tripod and one handheld. I recently got this new tripod from Benro, which is extremely smooth, so that will be great for this piece. I set up my tripod and attach my camera and I'm good to go. Now let's record the piece of me talking. I record these pieces in my room in front of a window, so I almost never have to use extra lighting. I set up my tripod and zoom it in so that the background looks nice. Then I'll place my chair in front of the camera. You might not know it, but I'm actually sitting about 3 meters distance from the camera. For the audio of me talking in my room, I use my trusty old Zoom H1 over here with the ATR3350 lav mic from Audio-Technica. I have the lav mic over here. It's inside of my shirt. I mean, it looks nice and the audio is fine. These are the settings on my Zoom H1. Now you might be wondering why I use external audio, and it's just because the internal audio does not sound that good. I mean, listen to this. When all the physical filming is done, I'll record my screen capture on the computer. For this, I use OBS Studio, which I've set up on my second monitor. I have Windows configured in such a way that everything I have open on my second screen does not show up on the taskbar on my first screen, which makes sure that my screen looks clean. I can now record my footage.
The voiceover you're hearing right now is recorded in Audacity using my desktop microphone. I export it as a WAV file so that I can edit with it later.
So that was how I record my episodes. Make sure you tune in next week when I'll show you how to do a Mocha camera solve, and the week after that I'll show you how I edit my videos. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next week with a new video. Bye bye. Hi there, I hope you enjoyed that video. Now click the top thumbnail to see my latest video, click the thumbnail below it to see a highlighted one, and click my logo to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.